Today, I'll show how you can get this amazing and popular Luca filter on Instagram so that you could use it on your Instagram post or Insta story, and this time we will not use any other app, we will do it from within the Instagram app. Okay, so to get the Luca filter, head over to your Instagram app. Now, click on the search tab. And then search for the user, John Mahavan. This is the person that you need to look for. Click and visit his profile. Now click the starry icon, this is where all his filters will be stored. Now, scroll down and look for the Luca filter. This is the one. Click on it. I have already saved the filter, you can save it from here. Now, click on the try it now. You can see that the filter is working fine on me, and it's really awesome. I'm sure you will love it too. You can record it from here and save it to your gallery or post it on your Instagram story or post or wherever possible. Since we have already saved the filter, you don't have to search for the user again and again. Instead, you will find it on your story filters or wherever your filters could be found. Thanks for watching.